येरादारी नियमांचे उल्लंघन करतल्यांचेर कडक कारवाय जातली. तशेंच गाडी चलयतना फोनार उलोवपी, हेल्मेटा बगर गाडी चलोवपी, रस्त्याचेर सिग्नलांचे नेम ना पाळप्यांचे फोटो काडून जनतेन रोखडेच ईमेल करपाचे तांचेर गोंय येरादारी पुलीस कारवाय करतले आनी तांकां चलनां धाडटले. जनतेन फुडाकार घेतल्यारच येरादारी नियम पाळपाक लोकां मदीं शिस्त येतली आनी कितल्याशाच जाणांचे जीव वाटावतले म्हण येरादारी पुलीस अधीक्षक देवेश कुमार म्हाला हांणी सांगलां. RDX गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान संजय मनोली.
I want to give one particular message that only with the cooperation of all of us, means traffic and all the people, we can reduce the number of accidents, and for that you have to be our eyes and ears. Whenever you see any traffic violation, someone driving rashly, negligently, or any other traffic violation like speaking on mobile phone, moving on wrong side, not wearing helmet, we just request you to click a picture or click a video and send it to us on Gmail, that is sptrafficgoa@gmail.com, or Goa Traffic Police Facebook page. We will definitely issue a challan and you will play your part for improvement of road conditions, for improvement of accidents, the rate it is happening, and you can, by that way you can save someone's life.